I'm Patrick Norton from TechThing, and I'm here on Digital Trends today to show you Windows God Mode. Sound epic, huh? Also got a dog pile of other Windows 10 features you might not know about. Cortana, Microsoft Edge browser, the start menu everybody wishes Microsoft had put in Windows 8, didn't wait till 10 for, Windows Store apps that run on your desktop instead of hogging up your whole screen like you're using, well, an app on a phone. There are a ton of great new features that are hard to miss in Windows 10, but there are quite a few more that aren't so obvious. I never would have guessed it, but Microsoft says Alt-Tab is one of the least used features in Windows. It's incredibly simple and it makes switching between apps incredibly easy. I use it all the time. Just hold down Alt and hit one of the Tab keys, and your screen will fill with icons for every app running in Windows. Keep hitting the Tab until you highlight the app you want to bring to the front and let go. Boom! That app will be in the front of your screen ready for you to use. I love the ability to split the screen between 2 or as many as 4 apps simultaneously. If you can get the hang of it, Windows 10 has a snap assist. The idea is that you drag the window you want to split the screen with over towards the edge. Windows does this visual cue that says, hey, I'm ready to pin the window, and you let go, and it's supposed to snap into place. Takes a ton of practice. It's really hard to do. Instead, I just Alt-Tab or click on the window I want to pin, then I hold down the Windows key and use the left or right arrow to pin it to the left or right side of the screen. Then, still holding down the Windows key, tap the up or down arrow. That'll drop it from half the screen to a quarter of the screen if you want to. It is a slick way of using more than one app at a time inside of Windows. Now, Task Manager, not new to Windows 10, but it's always been the best way to kill a program that's locked up. That said, there's a lot more inside there that's worth checking out. Now, to launch Task Manager, hit Control-Alt-Delete and select Task Manager, or hit Windows key plus R, then type in Task MGR and hit Enter. Something not running right? Click on it and hit the End Task button. Boom, it's gone. Now, click on More Detail, look for the Processes tab, and then click CPU, and you'll see just why your fan goes on every time you play a Flash video. It's using a lot of CPU. Click on the Startup tab, and you'll see every app that launches when you start Windows, and you can turn off the ones that slow down Windows if you want to. The App History tab is really cool. It lets you know how much data or CPU and other information about an app that's running, though not so much if that app was downloaded to Chrome outside of Windows. It only seems to work for Windows App Store verified apps. Windows 10 also delivered some new keyboard shortcuts. Windows key plus C launches Cortana in listening mode so you can speak commands to it. Windows key plus I opens the settings tab. Windows key plus task gives you the alt tab task window in full screen. Windows key plus D shows you your desktop, while Windows key plus X opens up a list of power user features like the disk management tool or device manager. There's a whole list, which brings me to Windows God Mode, aka the Windows Master Control Panel shortcut. Nobody knew it would be in Windows 10, but by creating a new folder on your desktop and renaming it, cutting and pasting is a really good idea here, curly brackets and all, because literally it's godmode.curlybracket ed7b. It goes on for a while. Cut and paste it, we'll show you a link. You'll get a control panel icon labeled God Mode, which gives you fast access to hundreds of features that are usually buried deep inside of Windows settings, from allowing apps through the firewall, to troubleshooting tools, storage spaces, even the cursor blink rate should you find the cursor blink rate annoying. Who knew? Look, I think I'm way over 5 features tucked inside of Windows 10 at this point, and I haven't even mentioned one of my favorites, Windows Feedback. This is the app that lets you tell Microsoft directly what you think of features inside of Windows, upvote to tell Microsoft you're seeing the same problem as other folks, and quite a bit more. Some feedback about problems has thousands of upvotes. Thanks for watching. I'm Patrick Norton for Digital Trends, and I hope you found something that makes Windows 10 work better for you in this video.